GM and welcome to a new video. Let's talk about the Jupuary 2025. I already talked about this in this video, which got a lot of views, so thank you for that. I wanted to do an update because since yesterday the Jupuary checker is live, so you're actually now able to check your allocation. I'm going to show you guys how to do this and some tips on how to best qualify for the next Jupuary, because the vote is already through that next year there's going to be another Jupuary, and we're already in that phase since November 2nd. That counts towards the next Jupuary because the 2nd of November was the cutoff date for the rewards in this year for the Jupuary 2025. So everything that you've been doing since November 2nd, 2024 counts towards the Jupuary 2026. Oh my gosh, I said Jupuary a lot. I hope that's it for now. So I explain everything in this video here, how the allocations for the different types look like. You can go through this here. I'm gonna link it up here. Yes, Jupiter uplink, they posted that the checker is live. As always, I will put all the links down in the description. While you're down there, feel free to subscribe to my channel, leave a like. That helps me a lot. That's the official Jupiter account. We don't need this. What we actually need is jupuary.jup.ag. And this is where the checker is at. You need to connect your wallet. Or I show you another way around this. If you want to check your wallet without connecting, then there's also a way for that. You can connect your wallet and you don't need to sign up or log in to your Jupiverse profile. But to claim, you will need to do this. So the claim is not live yet. This is only a checker. Claim will be live in a couple of weeks, I think 2 weeks to go still. And then you need the profile. What we know is that they will reward people that are using the mobile app. So with the checker, it's not a problem. You can do this in your browser. That doesn't matter. But I know that for the claim, I will use the Jupiter mobile app because, in my opinion, they will heavily reward this in the next Jupuary. So be clever, play their game and use the Jupiter mobile app. I also try to do some swaps in the mobile app and not only in the browser from time to time if I need to swap anything. Okay, that being said, you can connect your wallet, click here. Then you can actually see your allocation. You see here for my wallet, I get 50 Jup for this wallet for swapping because I'm in tier 7. I get 50 bonus Jup because I swapped in 8 months or more. So consistency paid out, then staking gives me 36 Jup. Again, here's the cutoff date, November 2nd, 24. You needed at least 10 Jup staked at that time. And a bonus, as a super voter, I got 47 Jup. I explained everything in that video here, what counts as a super voter. And also, I'm a super staker. Throughout the year, I'm a real one. I got 56 Jup extra, so for this wallet I can claim 239 Jup, which is actually pretty nice. I'm happy with that. If you don't want to connect your wallet, there's a workaround. You can actually copy the link down, and instead of my wallet here, I will put the link down like this. And what you need to do is copy your Solana wallet address, paste this here instead of wallet, and then you can actually see your checker without the need to connect. That's already it. That's everything that you can do right now. As I said, the claim will be live later. Let me know if you got a nice allocation, if you're happy with your allocation. And that being said, thank you so much for watching once again, and see you in the next video.